Got the Camaro out today. Yeah. He's got a killer Fairlane, freshly painted, beautifully done. Supercharged, small block Ford. Pop the hood. Old school Vortec setup on here, runs good. That's the coolant tank for that, right?
Yeah. I got the radiator for it is in the front.
Just want to show you how clean this car is. Look at that. Lots of hours, lots of hours. Mustang 2 front?
Yeah, Mustang 2 front. S10 wheels. 5 stream.
It even smells good in here.
That's because I just got out of here.
That blower's so quiet. It's not bad, it's quite nice. I didn't even notice. You get shaved handles too in here. Oh yeah, I see the thing on the door right here.
Yeah.
Right here.
He's gonna fix that. He's gonna fix this, and it's a spot in the quarter panel that I'm not happy with.
Okay.
But otherwise,
Still nice. Better than my jalopy sitting out there. Ah, this looks good. It's coming along. I like your custom hood latch there.
you like that, right? Well, there's no fucking fenders to hold it.
It's nice. Get the AFR heads.
They're Enforcers.
The pulley setup is real nice too.
That's
It's clean.
It was cheap too. It was like 129 or something for this side, and I think 140 for the other side. Stock, well, stock for the Suburban.
Yeah, but still, it's nice. It's nice and clean. It's easy to get to. Everything's.
The headers were like $100 Chinese headers.
Yep. I like those Chinese headers. Conversion motor mounts. Look at that. The clearance is really nice.
Oh, I cut out a big section of the horsepower.
Nice. Oh, okay. There's another guy that I follow on YouTube. He's got an S10 with an LT1 motor in there. He just put a 400 small block, and his headers are really tight. He has an older S10. I don't know if it's the same chassis setup. So simple back here, my God.
It's like a family tree.